everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today our discussion topic is very informative, in which we will learn about offshore accident lawyer. An offshore accident lawyer is a legal professional who specializes in providing representation and guidance into individuals who have been involved in accidents or injuries that occur in maritime or offshore environments. So here are some key aspects of offshore accident lawyers, and their role include: number 1, expertise in maritime law. Number 2, types of cases. Number 3, investigation. Number 4, liability determination. Number 5, legal representation. An offshore accident lawyer's expertise in maritime law and their dedication to represent individuals affected by offshore accidents make them essential advocates for victims, seeking justice and fair compensation in these often complex and challenging legal situations. So our second discussion topic is best motorcycle accident lawyers. These lawyers possess extensive knowledge and experience in the field of personal injury law, particularly as it relates to motorcycle collision, and they are dedicated to helping their clients navigate the complexities of these cases. Here are the key specs that define the best motorcycle accident lawyers. Number 1, expertise in motorcycle accident law. Number 2, track record. Number 3, investigation skills. Number 4, understanding of injuries. Number 5, negotiation expertise. The best motorcycle accident lawyers go above and beyond to provide expert legal representation to individuals who have been injured in motorcycle accidents. Their combination of legal expertise, negotiation skills, empathy, and dedication to their clients' well-being makes them indispensable allies for those seeking fair compensation and justice after a motorcycle collision. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new on my channel, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for latest videos. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.